read the whole question one more time, they're trying to tell us something. That one of the intersection point, which means that if we were to try to solve the simultaneous equation, one of the answers is going to be 1, 1. And what this 1, 1 is trying to tell us is that when x is equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. Yeah, but so what, right? I'm still quite stuck and not quite sure what is going on. Okay, now let's think again, okay? Probably much easier if you try to visualize. Now, I have no idea how this curve look like, okay? Let's imagine the curve looks a bit like this, all right? And I have no idea how this line look like either, but let's imagine the line looks a bit like this, okay? And if I were to solve it, then of course the question says, right, that there are 2 points of intersection. So these are the 2 points. What we understand is, of course, one of the points is at 1, 1. So this is what they are trying to tell us. Okay, what they're trying to tell us is the fact that x equals to 1 will work for this equation, and then y will be 1. X equal to 1, y equal to 1 will also work for this equation. That means when you put it in, everything will fall in nicely. In other words, in a more mathematical way that we're trying to solve it, where just now we're talking about the graphical approach or graphical interpretation. But now what it really means is this. If I put in x equals to 1 into this equation, alright, I'm going to get a times 1, which is 1, plus b times 1, which is 1, equals to 4. So the idea is very simple, right? Put in the x and the y, it will work. And this is what I meant by it will work, right? You put in, it will equate to 4. Okay? How about the second equation, which is the curve? Let's try and see what we get out of it. Okay, so when x is 1, by the way, x squared is 1 square is still 1, right? So I'm going to end up with negative a minus 2a plus b plus 4b squared, and this one doesn't come with any x or y, so obviously it stays put, right? It stays put as b squared, 4b squared equals to 0. Are we alright?